Good morning, student. Hi there. Can you hear me? Nice to see you again. And now, please welcome back to our English class with me. I am your English teacher. My name is Teacher Kwan. Nice to see you again. So, student, now are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Good job. All right. Now let's get started. But before we are going to have fun together with our wonderful story, let's sing and dance together. Please stand up, stand up. Let's begin with the first song. And this song is called Hello Song. Alright, students, don't forget to set up. And then count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say
Then you will
hello?
say hello. Good job, do it again. 1, 2,
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say
Then you will say
hello?
hello. Good job, do it again.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your
3
hands?
times. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3. And then you will say hello. That is wonderful, students. And now let's move to the next song. And this song is called Open Them, Shut Them. Do you know how to sing and dance with this song?
Yes.
Alright, now let's sing and dance along together. Don't forget to stand up and then move your head.
Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap.
Good job.
Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a loud clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a quiet clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a fast clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a slow clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap.
Wonderful students. And then let's move to the next song. And this song is our entry song. Now let's sing and dance together.
English, English, ABC. It's time to play. Let's go, 1, 2, 3. Let's play with English. Brown English. Hello, kids. Sing and dance. It's time to start with. It's
Thank you, birds.
So today we are still with our wonderful story of
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds. But before we get started with our wonderful story, let's answer the question. Student, let's answer the question. Now, let's start with the first question. And this question is, listen carefully. Students, how are you today? How are you? So, are you sad? Student, are you sad?
No.
Oh, if you are not sad, what about this one? Are you angry? Angry? Are you angry?
No, teacher.
Oh, you say no again. If you are not sad and you are not angry, or are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you are not sleepy. So, how are you today? Are you happy?
Yes.
Good job if you are happy. Now, this time you will say, I am happy. Your turn.
I am happy.
Excellent. Alright, let's do it again one more time. Students, how are you today?
I am happy.
Great work. Alright, now we move to the next question. And this question is, students, let's listen carefully.
How's the weather?
Repeat this question after me. How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
Wonderful. And can you answer this question? How's the weather? Let's look at the window. Look at the window. Look at the outside and then tell me, how's the weather?
It's windy.
Today, is it windy? Is this windy?
No.
No, great work. Today is not windy. This one is not correct. And what about this one?
It's cloudy.
Today, is this cloudy? Is this cloudy?
No, teacher, it's not cloudy.
Oh, good job. Today is not cloudy. So, and what about this one?
It's rainy.
And what about this one, student? Today, is this rainy? Rainy. Is this rainy?
No again.
Oh, no, again. It's not rainy. So, how's the weather? What about this one?
It's sunny.
And this one, student. Today, is it sunny? Is it sunny?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good job. This one is the correct one. Today is sunny. Now, let's repeat this sentence after me.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Well done. And one more time, please, student. This time, don't forget to act like this when you say it's sunny. Alright, do it again one more time.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Great work. Now we move to the next question. And this question is, listen carefully again.
What day is it today?
And repeat this question after me. What day is it today? Your turn.
What day is it today?
Well done. Now back to you, student. Let's choose the correct answer. What day is it today? Guess what?
Today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday. What do you think? This one is the correct one or not? Is this correct? Yes or no?
No, teacher.
No, great work. Today is not Tuesday. This one is this one?
Today is Sunday.
Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Is this correct? Yes or no?
No, today is not Sunday.
Excellent. Good job. Today is not Sunday. So, what day is this today? What about this one?
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. And what about this one, students? Is this correct? Today is Saturday.
Yes, teacher. That's correct.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Excellent. This one is the correct one. Today is Saturday. Now, let's repeat this sentence after me.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Your turn.
Today is Saturday.
Excellent. Alright, student, now get back to our wonderful story of student. What is our title of the story? Can you remember? What is the title?
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds. Excellent. And our title is
Thank you, birds.
Good job. Thank you, birds. And today we are going to see our story from the storybook. And after that, we are going to make a short role plays. Now, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Now move to storybox. Let's pay attention.
Storybox.
Thank you, birds.
Birds.
I'm hungry, Dad. What do we have?
We have one orange, but that's for Mom.
Oh, student, now let's take a look with this little boy. Now he getting hungry, and then he said to his dad, "Oh, Dad, I'm hungry. What do we have? What do we have?" Oh, now they are. Guess what, student? They are poor or rich family.
Poor family.
Good job. They are poor family and they have just only one small house. And now his dad said, "Oh, honey, now we have just only one orange. But that's what for Mom." Oh, poor little boy.
Dad, look!
And then look.
Stop! Stop! Go away!
Oh, stop, go away. Now the birds have stolen their orange.
That orange was for Mom! Oh, poor boy! Let's help him! Oh, I have an idea.
Oh, now, student, let's take a look. They look so sad, and the boys, he is crying. That's orange. What from his mom is what stolen by the bird. And suddenly, this bird had listened about that. Oh, poor little boy. They are going to help him. How? Let's take a look. Oh, now they're going to help this little boy.
Stop! Stop! Go away!
What are they, Dad?
And one day in the morning, they are waking up and then they look at the window. The little boy asks to his dad, "Oops, Dad, look at the window. What are they, Dad? Look at the outside. What are they?" And back to you, student. Can you remember? What are they?
These are oranges.
Oranges. Oh, maybe. Now let's find out together.
They are oranges. It's an orange tree.
That is, this one is the orange trees, and it has a lot of oranges.
What are they, Dad?
And then the little boy asked his dad again. And Dad, what are they in the back one? It's in red. What are they? Guess what, student? What are they in the back one?
Is it the apples?
Apples. Oh, maybe. Now, let's check it out together with this one. Let's see.
Wow! They are apples.
It's a big apple tree.
That you said is correct. This is an apple tree and it has a lot of apples.
What are they, Dad?
And the next one. This boy, he is asking to his dad again. What are they, Dad? The yellow one, what are they? Guess what, student? What is it?
Bananas.
Bananas. Maybe. Now, let's check it out. Look.
These are bananas.
It's a banana tree.
Good job. This one is a banana tree and it has a lot of bananas.
Mom, look! I had oranges, apples, and bananas.
Have some apples.
Let's have together.
Alright, student, and now this family, they have a lot of fruits. Now they have oranges, apples, and bananas. Oh, and now they look happy to have some apples together.
Thank you, birds.
Alright, and enough of our story. Now this family, they has a lot of fruits, and then they said thank you to this bird. Thank you, birds. Alright, student, now we are going to the next part. And this part, we are going to do the short role plays with our talk box. And are you ready?
Yes.
Good job. Now let's move to talk box.
Talk box.
Let's see.
What are they? These are apples.
Alright, student, and this time back to you. Please try to follow the characters of these children. Alright, let's do it again one more time.
What are they?
Alright, now try to copy the character of this boy. He say, what are they? Repeat after me. What are they? Your turn.
What are they?
Excellent. Now move to the character of this girl.
These are apples.
And let's do it. Repeat after me. These are apples. Your turn.
These are apples.
Excellent. Now let's do this short role play one more time.
What are they? These are apples.
Alright, now let's move to the next one. Let's move to number 2. Pay attention.
What are they? These are peaches.
Alright, student, and back to you again. Now let's try to copy the character of these children. Let's begin with this little girl.
What are they?
Alright, repeat after me. What are they? Your turn.
What are they?
Excellent. And then get to this boy.
These are peaches.
And repeat after me. These are peaches. Your turn.
These are peaches.
Well done. Alright, let's see this short role play one more time.
What are they? These are peaches.
And now let's move to the short role play of number 3.
What are they? These are lemons.
Alright, student, and now let's try to follow the character of them. Let's begin with this boy.
What are they?
Repeat after me. What are they? Your turn.
What are they?
And then move to this girl.
These are lemons.
And repeat after me. These are lemons. Your turn.
These are lemons.
Well done. Alright, let's see this short role play one more time.
What are they? These are lemons.
Alright, and end up of this short role play. Now we move to the short role play number 4. Let's pay attention.
What are they? These are bananas.
And now let's try to copy the character of them. Begin with the character of this boy.
What are they?
Oh, teacher, sorry. Now begin with the character of this little girl. Repeat after me. What are they? Your turn.
What are they?
Excellent. And then get back to this boy.
These are bananas.
And repeat after me. These are bananas. Your turn.
These are bananas.
Well done. Now let's see this short role play one more time.
What are they? These are bananas.
Alright, student, and end up of our 4 short role plays. Now we are going to try to copy the character of them by act like a short role play like this. And student, this part you can do a short role play with your friends, your parents, or maybe your imagination friends. Alright, and this time teacher will show you how to do a short role play. And this time please welcome Teacher Mai, who is being the assistant of me. Please welcome Teacher Mai.
Hello.
Hello, Teacher Mai. Alright, Teacher
Hello,
Mai, please welcome.
everyone. I am Teacher Mai, and I will help Teacher Huan to do our short role play today. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's do it together.
Alright, student. Now let's begin with the first short role play. Alright, and now Teacher Mai,
Yes.
would you please copy the character of this little girl?
Okay.
And then me, I am Teacher Kwan. I will copy the character of this boy. Alright, now before we do the short role play, let's see our short role play first.
What are they? These are apples.
Alright, now get back to us. Student, now are you ready?
Yes.
Let's see. Alright, Teacher Mai, let's begin.
Alright. What are they?
These are apples.
Ah, thank you.
Alright, like this, student, and then move to the next one.
What are they? These are peaches.
Alright, and it shows role play number 2. Now let's do it together. Alright, what are they?
These are peaches.
Like this, students. Alright, don't forget to try to copy this short role play and then move to number 3. Let's see.
What are they? These are lemons.
Alright, and now we will try to copy this character. What are they?
These are lemons.
Like this. Alright, now we move to the last short role play of this part, and this one is number 4.
What are they? These are bananas.
Alright, and back to our. Let's try to copy this character. Okay, what are they?
These are bananas.
Like this, student. Alright, and end up of the short role plays. Don't forget to practice how to speak and act like a short role plays. Alright, today. So thank you so much, Teacher Mai, for helping us today.
You're welcome, Teacher Kwan.
Okay, thank you so much. See
Thank
you
you.
again next time.
See you next time. Bye bye,
Bye.
students.
Alright, student. Now is an about the short role play. Don't forget to try to practice how to act and say like the role play. And the next part, we are going to have fun together with the fun box. So, student, do you want to play the game?
Yes.
Alright, now let's move to fun box.
Fun box.
And this game is called Give Me Some Fruit. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Alright, let's move to Give Me Some Fruit.
Give me some fruit.
Click the right picture to match the sentence. An apple, please.
Alright, student, and this game we are going to click the right pictures over there. We have to click the right pictures to match to the sentence of this little girl. Now, this part she said, listen carefully and then try to repeat it.
An apple, please.
An apple, please. You turn.
An apple, please.
Great work, student. Now get back to you. Let's find out the correct picture that match to this sentence. An apple, please. Which one is an apple? Look at the first one. It's circle. Is this apple?
No.
Oh no, it's not matched to our sentence. And what about this one? An apple, please. This picture. Is this matching to the sentence?
teacher.
Oh no, it's not match. And what about this yellow one? An apple, please. Is this match to our sentence?
No again.
Oh no.
It's not apple.
It's not apple. Let's find out an apple. What about the red one?
Yes.
Yes. Is this an apple?
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's find out together with this one.
Apple.
Apple.
That's it.
That's it.
Wow, it's yummy. An orange, please.
Alright, student, that one is the correct one. Now we move to the next sentence, and this sentence is listen carefully.
An orange, please.
An orange, please. Your turn.
An orange, please.
Good job. Now back to you again. Let's find out the picture that match to the sentence. An orange, please. Which one is an orange? The red one. Is this orange?
No, teacher. It's apple.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this yellow one? Is this orange?
No.
Oh no. And what about this one? It looks like an orange. Let's see. Is this correct?
I don't think so.
Oh, you don't think so. And what about this one? Is this orange?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. If you say yes, now let's check it out together with this one.
Orange.
Orange.
Okay.
Okay, this one is the
Wow,
correct
it's
one.
yummy. A lemon, please.
Now we move to the next sentence. And this sentence is
A lemon, please.
a lemon, please. Still then, back to you again. Let's help me to find out the correct picture that match to this sentence. A lemon, please. Which one is a lemon? This one. Is this a lemon?
No.
Oh no, it's not. And what about the yellow one? Is this a lemon?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not correct. And what about this one? Is this a lemon?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Sure. Alright, now let's check it out together with this picture.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Good work.
Good work.
Wow, it's yummy.
Alright,
A
it's
peach,
correct.
please.
Now we move to the next sentence. And this sentence is
A peach, please.
a peach, please. Repeat after me. A peach, please. Your turn.
A peach, please.
Well done. Now let's find out the correct picture that match to our sentence. A peach, please. Which one is a peach? Look at this one. Is this a peach?
No, it's lemon.
It's lemon. Good job. And what about this one? Is this a peach?
No, again, it's lemon.
Oh,
sorry,
no.
it's orange.
It's orange. Good job. And what about the yellow one? Is this peach?
No, teacher, it's banana.
Oh no. Good job. It's banana. And what about the last picture? This one. Is this peach?
Yes.
Now let's check it out together with this picture.
Peach.
Peach.
Good job.
Good job.
Wow, it's yummy. A banana, please.
And now we move to the next sentence. This sentence is, don't forget to listen carefully.
A banana, please.
A banana, please. Your turn.
A banana, please.
Well done. Now let's find out the correct picture. A banana, please. The picture number one. Is this banana?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about the red one? Is this banana?
No, it's apple.
No, it's apple. Good job. And what about this one? Is this banana?
No, again.
Oh, no way. And what about this yellow one? Is this banana?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Now let's check it out together with this picture.
Banana.
Banana.
Great work.
Great work.
Wow, it's yummy.
Alright, wow, it's yummy.
Excellent.
Alright, now we're done already with this game. So, students, let's move to the next part of today. And this part, we are going to have fun together with our exercise. Now, please bring your workbook or your worksheet beside you. This one. And then open your workbook on page 8 and 9. It look like this. Page 8 and 9 is look like this.
Workbook.
Alright, this one is look like this, student. And this part, don't forget to fire your pencil. Maybe you can use some colors or crayons. Alright, for the first part, we are going to do the activities from page 8 first. Page 8 is look like this. And these activities we call how many fruit? How many fruit? We are going to write down the correct number on the blank. Now let's see with the first one. Let's see with the first one. Alright, student. Look at this picture. What kind of fruits over there, student? The red one. Guess what? What is this?
Apples.
Apples. Good job. Now the apple. Alright. Sorry. Now we have the apple in the first place. We have 3 apples. And then in the second place, now we have 2 apples. And then 3 and 4. How many? Sorry. 3 and 2. How many apples do we have? Now we have 5 apples. And now we write down number 5 already. Now let's move to this place. Look at this place. Guess what, student? What kind of fruit over there?
Is this peach?
Yes, they are peaches. Good job. Now let's look at this one. Let's count together. How many fruits are they? Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Now we have 7 peaches. And students, let's look at this symbol. Look at this symbol. Alright, now we have 7 peaches. And then the peaches were stolen. 1 peach. Now we have 7 peaches and it's worth stolen 1 peach. And then how many peaches do we have? At the first time we have 7 and then worth stolen 1 peach. Now how many peaches do we have? Now we have 6 peaches. Is this correct? Alright, so teacher, sorry. Now let's count together. Alright, we have at the first we have 7 peaches and then it's worth stolen 1 peaches. Now we have the peaches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 peaches. Now we have 6 peaches. And then let's write down the correct number on the blank. Write down number 6 like this. Alright. And then then let's move to the next one. Look at this place. And guess what, student? What kind of fruit over there?
Is this oranges?
It's oranges. Excellent. Now we have, how many oranges do we have for the third place? Let's count together. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now in the third place we have 5 oranges. And then my mom gave more oranges for me. My mom gave me more 2 oranges. And then how many oranges do I have? Let's count together. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Excellent. Now we have 7 oranges. Now let's write down number 7 on the blank. Let's write down number 7 like this. Alright, now keep following. And then, have you finished with this part of page 8?
Yes.
Well done. Alright, now let's move to the page 9. Look at page 9. And these activities we call 2 trees, birds. Alright, 2 trees, birds. This part of activities, we are going to match the pictures over there. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pictures. We are going to match the pictures to the correct sentences over there. Let's begin with the first picture. Look at this picture. What is this, student? Guess what?
Trees.
These are trees. Good job. And now let's find out the correct sentence that's matched to this picture. 3 birds. Is this correct? 3 birds to this picture.
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this sentence? 7 oranges. 7 oranges. Is this correct?
No, again.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? 2 trees. 2 trees. Is this correct? 2 trees.
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How many trees of this picture? 1 and
2.
2. Good job. This sentence is the correct one. It's matched to this picture. Now let's connect the sentence to the picture. Drawing the line dot to dot like this. Alright, keep following. Now we move to the next picture. Look at this picture, student. Look at this picture. What are they?
Birds.
They are birds. Excellent. And let's find out the correct sentence that match to this picture. Look at this sentence. 6 strawberries. 6 strawberries. Is this correct?
No.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? 4 bananas. 4 bananas. Is this correct? 4 bananas.
No, teacher.
No way, it's not correct. And what about this sentence? 7 oranges. 7 oranges. Is this correct?
No.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this sentence? 3 birds. 3 birds. Is this correct? This
Yes,
sentence to this
teacher.
picture. Oh,
It's-
you say yes. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
3 birds. Alright, this one is the correct one. Now let's connect this picture to this sentence. Don't forget to draw in the line dot to dot like this. Alright, keep following. Now we move to the next one. Look at this picture, student. What kind of fruit over there?
Oranges.
Oranges. Alright, and how many of them? Let's count together. Student, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we have 7 oranges. And let's find out the correct sentence that match to this picture. What about this one? 6 strawberries. 6 strawberries.
No, teacher.
Oh, no way. It's not matched. And what about this one? 4 bananas. 4 bananas.
No, it's not bananas.
Oh no, it's not correct. And what about this one? 7 oranges. 7 oranges.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good job. 7 oranges. This one is the correct one. Now let's connect this picture to the correct sentence, drawing the line dot to dot like this. Alright, now have you finished with this one?
Yes, teacher.
Let's move to the next picture. Look at this one. What kind of fruit over there? Guess what?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Excellent. And how many strawberries do we have? Let's count together. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 strawberries. Now we have 6 strawberries. And then let's find out the correct sentence that match to this picture. Look at this one. 4 bananas. Is this correct?
No,
4 bananas.
teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this purple one? 6 strawberries. 6 strawberries. Is this correct?
Yes.
Excellent. Yes, this one is the correct one. Now, don't forget to connect the line dot to dot like this. Alright, student, and now we move to the last picture of this part. Guess what? What kind of this fruit over there is
Bananas.
bananas. Excellent. And how many bananas do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bananas. Now we have 4 bananas. And let's find out the correct sentence. Oops, now we have just only one left. This sentence. 4 bananas. Is this correct to this picture?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, this one is the correct. Well done. Now let's connect these pictures to the correct sentence like this. 4 bananas. Alright, now have you finished with this part?
Yes, teacher.
Good job. And then we are going to read all of the sentence over there. Repeat after me. Look at the sentence number 1, the yellow one. And then repeat after me. 3 birds. You turn.
3 birds.
Excellent. And then move to the green one. This sentence is 7 oranges. You turn.
7 oranges.
And move to the pink one. This one is 2 trees. You turn.
2 trees.
Excellent. Move to the blue one. This sentence is 4 bananas. You turn.
4 bananas.
And our last sentence, the purple one. This one is 6 strawberries. You turn.
6 strawberries.
Wonderful. Alright. And now we're done already with our activities. Alright, student. And the next part, we are going to practice how to sing and dance with our song Yummy Yum Yum. Can you remember how to sing and dance with this song?
Yes, teacher.
Now let's stand up. We are going to practice how to sing and dance with this song. Let's move to warm up.
Warm up.
Alright, don't forget to sing louder and then dance along.
Let's have a fruit party. Apples, bananas, juicy, fresh, yummy. Juicy, fresh, yummy. Let's have a fruit party. Oranges, grapes, juicy, fresh.
yummy, yum, yum, juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum.
Alright, now let's practice one more time with this song.
Let's have a fruit party.
Wow!
Apples,
Apples,
bananas,
bananas,
juicy, fresh, yummy,
yum, yum,
juicy, fresh, yummy,
yum, yum.
let's have a fruit party.
Wow!
Oranges,
Oranges,
grapes,
grapes,
juicy, fresh, yummy,
yum, yum,
juicy, fresh, yummy,
yum, yum.
Excellent students, you are good dancers. Don't forget to practice how to sing and dance with this song, Yummy Yum Yum. So today is time's up and then we have to say goodbye. Now let's sing and dance with the last song. And this song is called Goodbye Song.